Why am I couple faded?
Hold on. Is one of your face, man? Good morning, D. Welcome back.
Thank you for having me.
What do you mean? Where were you? Where were you?
I was sick.
What happened to you?
I had an incident last week.
Don't say it like that, because when you say that, you scare people. That's what you said to me last week, and I was like, what? Oh my gosh!
All right, I was playing basketball and I got hit in my eye. I was bloodshot and I had to take medication. So I didn't want it to see me last week with my one side red, one side white.
He didn't want you guys to see him like that, you know. He wasn't at his best.
Yeah, but you can see me like this today.
He didn't want to be seen like that. But today, he came new and improved. He said he wanted to revert to baby stage, and he just scraped all the hair off his face.
My mother and Sakina say I look like 12.
He does. He looks like a baby now.
Handsome 12.
I never said that. I joke, I'm kidding. Good morning and welcome back, honey. Good morning, Smile Jammers, and thank you for joining us on Weekend Smile this morning.
Special good morning to the people in Sligoville.
What happened in Sligoville?
I mean, it was last week I went to the Imanti Fest.
Oh.
And cook off with my auntie and we game 4th.
Big up yourself!
Yeah, so you know, so
Where you cook?
We cooked something soup.
No, you see, you went with your auntie and your auntie cooked.
No, I did. No, honestly.
No. You weren't even able to tell me what you cooked a while ago.
Baked potato soup.
Baked
sweet potato soup.
Same thing, you don't even know.
Sweet potato soup. It was good. And there's a brother Hansel, tall man Hansel, the corn man. I get like free corn from him. Best thing ever.
Love the corn.
Love it.
You couldn't bring a corn for me? I know me love corn.
That's how much
Somebody
said must send a message, you know. I don't remember them saying.
I know message me one more corn.
The message more important than the corn.
All right, we'll think about it and you can tell me soon. All right, guys, let's get into it. The path your life takes is all about the choices you make. Amen.
Some we regret, some we're proud of, some that will stick with us forever.
What we're trying to say is we are what we choose to be. That true, You know, so just this week I was reading a book and it was telling me all about it. Anyway, I'll tell you about it later. Anyway, on the show this morning, we'll explore wellness and relationship, get a little help from our special guests, Granny Saki, and of course, Grammy winner Beanie.
I think the Grammy winner will be Granny Saki this morning. Plus, we have the Jam Dynamites and DJ Benji.
Yeah.
We know about DJ this morning, everyone. So
our floor managers over there taking it easy.
The Weekend Smile starts right now.
You can't dance with a tea in your hand. To start your weekend off. But first, we're gonna be buzzing in the headlines with our trending topics. So what was last weekend? Independence, yay! The National Stadium was filled to capacity on Monday evening as thousands of Jamaicans from yard and abroad came out to celebrate the country's 56th independence at the Grand Gala. Citations were presented to musicians Richie Stephens, Stranger Cole, and of course the gang, Damian Marley. They were recognized for promoting Jamaican music and culture across the world. Did you watch it?
I was asleep.
You were what?
I was asleep. I was tired. Wow. Because I couldn't really watch TV.
So you could have listened though. You could have.
Yeah,
so
at one point,
I got you there.
You know, honestly, at one point I couldn't see anything.
Seriously?
Yeah, for like 2 minutes.
That's messed up. But Gala actually started on time. Like it started, yeah, for real. It started like right out close to 6 o'clock.
Which Gala?
KC Boys, yeah, oh, Gala. You know why? Because the military was involved. Yeah, man. It started with like KC Boys Choir and then the military did them. If you see them in uniform, they look neaty, man. Anyway, big ups to you, military. Y'all were boss.
Yeah, I'm glad it went well. I mean, I heard great reports of it.
Yeah.
Even the light show
Yeah,
that
man.
happened was brilliant.
It was nice. I saw the Chinese dragons. And Dahlia was, of course, in her element. She did awesome, of course. It was great from what I saw. I never got to go, but I was watching it on TV.
Yeah, it looked like a good time. I mean, I saw videos afterwards.
And of course, Wayne Marshall, jeez of mercy. Wayne, with my song, my favorite song
I saw
ever.
you guys singing it last week.
It just, poof, he just took over the entire stadium, and Jamaicans for once, they were united.
Yeah, I saw Young Empress singing it last week.
Amazing.
Love it. Brilliant song. Brilliant song. Only a Will Marion can bring together the nation like that.
All right, I get coca this.
On to American news. At $2.92 per gallon nationwide, gas currently costs more than the EIA's year-long estimate. Each year, prices usually tend to peak around Memorial Day, May 27, then dip for the rest of the year. Still, the current gas price is at their highest point since 2014, when gas averaged $3.36 a gallon nationwide, amid instability in Iraq. Well, I don't really busy about the gas price in foreign.
No, but the gas prices there affect the gas prices here.
I know, but me really busy about the one here that me want to talk about.
So how much it take to fill your car tank?
I don't full it.
You never fill your car tank?
No, I don't full it these days.
I try to fill my car tank. You know how much it take me to fill my car tank? The last time I filled my car tank, you know how much it take me to fill it? Yeah, me I gotta tell you, $9,800 and something dollars. So call it 10 grand, $10,000 to fill my tank.
Engine
and
big,
a tank of gas.
engine.
No, but a tank of gas don't last me a week.
Because you're busy, because you come
because
from
I'm like, it's lot, no. And then I always put it on eco.
She always has the AC on. She feels she always has the AC on.
I have to, it's
always.
hot.
Not always.
Yes.
No, man, so they can wind on your window and cruise.
You tell me.
Nighttime she have
the
AC on.
No.
Daytime AC on. Nighttime AC on. When she asleep, the AC on. She always have the AC on.
No, that's not true.
You always, every time you're driving, you have an AC on.
Tell me if you guys can drive without your AC the daytime. In the daytime. At night, I don't have it on all the time.
Most nights, like every time you leave the theater.
No, it's off.
No, man, you have it on.
And see, the producer say AC don't really do nothing to you, guys.
Who says so?
The producer says.
Which producer? Producer drive?
Yes, she does.
She drive one little.
No, she doesn't.
No, AC.
Anyway,
AC.
The gas price them too high, and I will go back to the government and ask them if them can look back on that gas tax thing and see if them can cut a little toops off it.
Need some compensation.
Because it's rough.
Yeah, man, it's
sticky, man.
But as the US dollar keeps rising, though,
it's gonna keep happening. By the way, the US dollar is like 132.
136.
Next up,
136.
as promised, 136. All right, as promised, the government has reviewed the long-standing practice of prohibiting women wearing sleeveless attire from entering government buildings. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has formally given instructions for the suspension of the no sleeveless policy and instructed a full review of dress code practices. So last night, right, we go from the Instagram, I'm going to say Atta's minister, we call her Atta's. Lisa, Hannah, yeah, well spread out in her own picture on our Instagram. No shoulders, no sleeves. She's like, yes, hashtag no sleeveless. And I was like, all right, goodie, do your thing. She's very happy about it. And of course, living in a tropic climate in this heat, that was just silly in the first place.
That's what I've been saying. Like, we live in Jamaica. The place is always hot. Why we have to
cloak up?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
It's crazy because sometimes you have to wear a tie up to your neck. And
yeah.
I mean, I understand.
But you guys still are gonna have to do that.
Yeah,
men still have to do
I
that.
understand the formalities and looking decent. But come on, like this is Jamaica.
Yes, and I look at what she has on now. What's wrong with what she has on?
There's nothing.
Now? She's decent.
We need to get out of the colonial foolishness.
I am
I know
fully behind you.
What was interesting, I saw a picture of Richard Branson and Prime Minister Andrew Holness, and Branson loosened his tie.
Of course, cut out.
Yeah, but what was interesting, there's all smiles in that picture, and we as a nation have been advocating to change the rules that govern us in terms of how we dress. And it took Richard Branson
to come here and say, hey, it's hot. It takes time. All of these things take time. And I'm glad that we've made that step. I'm not going to go back into saying why they didn't or why they shouldn't or blah, blah, blah. I'm just saying I'm glad that we made the step. I hope that you can make that step for the gentlemen as well because they're hot too. You know?
I know.
The tie and...
I know.
I never done I mean, but okay. All right, you look nice without the hair. Jeez. What are your thoughts on today's topics, guys? Let us know. And also about his facial hair or missing facial hair. At SmileJam TVJ. That's it for the trending topics.
Oh.